1.5G5. Circle the operation to solve each problem. Luke blew 3 bubbles. Jared blew 2 bubbles. Sutton blew 1 bubble. How many bubbles did they blow? Am I adding or subtracting? I'm going to think about it. Luke's blowing 3, Jared blew 2, and Sutton blew 1, and I want to know how many they blew. So I'm joining all of the bubbles together. So I know that's addition because I'm joining. Jana has 8 dimes, Wyatt has 12 dimes. How many more dimes does Wyatt have than Jana? For this one, I know I'm comparing because I'm looking at how many more dimes Wyatt is going to have than Jana. So I know that it is subtraction. Corey says that the expanded form of 116 is 116. Is Corey correct? No, Corey is not correct because 116 is really 100 plus 10 plus 6. 10,016, if we put the comma there, is really one group of 10,000, one group of 10, and 6 ones. What is the name of this shape? I see the shape has 4 sides. I see the shape does not have square corners, so I know it cannot be a square. I see that the sides are equal. It cannot be a rectangle, so it must be a rhombus. It cannot be a hexagon because it doesn't have the right number of sides. Miss Orlando's class makes graphs of their favorite subjects. Write a question using the data from the graph. So I'm going to look here and I'm going to see, well, math has the most votes, so I could say which question has the most, which question has the least, how many more kids like math than reading, how many fewer kids like social studies than reading. I'm not going to write that because there's a lot of answers for you there. Number 5. Circle the 2 addends in each number sentence that equal 10. The first one has been done for you. So for this one, I'm going to be trying to make groups of 10. Well, I know 3 and 6 do not make a group of 10, but I know 3 and 7 do. So I'm going to circle the 3 and the 7. For this one, I see 4, 9, and 1. I know 9 and 1 make a group of 10 because 9 plus 1 is 10. For this one, I see 8, 9, and 2. Well, I know 8 plus 9 is not 10. That is greater than 10. I know 8 and 2 is 10. For this one, 4, 6, and 3. Well, I know 4 and 6 make a group of 10. Draw an open number line to show how to solve this number sentence. So here's my number line. I'm going to start at 2. I'm going to hop 5 more, which is going to be 7, and then I'm going to hop 8 more. And 8 plus 7 is 15. You could put the numbers in between. I chose not to, but you can do that. Tanner bakes 13 chicken nuggets. He eats 3. Tanner bakes 7 more chicken nuggets, which shows how to find the number of chicken nuggets Tanner has now. Mark your answer. Well, we know he starts with 13 and then he eats 3, so I know I'm losing 3. So he's starting with 13 and losing 3, which is going to give me a value of 10. He has his 10 nuggets, and then he bakes 7 more nuggets, so he's going to have a total of 17. Avery's class wants to donate 20 cans of food to the pet shelter. On Monday, they collect 12 cans. They collect 3 more cans on Tuesday. Mark, how many more cans do they need? Mark your answer. Well, they had 12 cans. They collected 3 more. Well, I know that 12 is really one group of 10 and 2 ones, and 3 is 3 ones. So that really is 5 ones. So that is the same as saying they have 15 cans. So they are trying to get 20, so I'm going to say 20 minus 15. Well, I know that 20 minus 15 is 5 more. You also could have used the picture to help you. So he has 12, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is Monday's cans. Here is Tuesday's cans, and there's 5 more for what they need.